all you'll need for my baked fish with lemon and garlic. Get yourself a couple of fish fillets, whatever fish you like, a bit of butter, some lemon, a bit of parsley for decoration, a couple of garlic cloves, some good quality olive oil, and some coriander, paprika, cumin, and some all-purpose flour. First thing we're going to do, melt your butter into a bowl and into there, and then your freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then your olive oil. And then a quick mix and set that to one side. Next, put your flour into a bowl, and then it's in with your coriander, paprika, and cumin, and give them a good mix round. Once you've mixed them in, time to go in a good pinch of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. With your 2 little bowls ready, it's time to eat fish fillets. I'm just going to pat them dry. Well, perhaps not dry, but you know what I mean. Then onto there with some of your olive oil concoction, both sides obviously. And then it's on with your flour. Shake that dry. Again, obviously both sides. Then you're going to get some oil into a pan and get that heated up, ready for these fish fillets. So into said pan, heated oil, you're just going to skin side down first, fry your fillets off. The purpose isn't to cook them, so fillets on this thin will only need a minute or 2 either side. Obviously if they're a bit thicker fillet, give it 2 or 3 minutes either side. But we're just going to try and seal them, and then they're going to go in the oven. Mince or chop your garlic up as best you can. Add that to your lemon oil concoction. Give that a quick stir around. And then get your fillets from your pan onto there, and then you're just going to drizzle them with the remaining lemon oil and garlic. Then it's into a preheated oven at 180 for around 10 minutes just to finish them off. And it comes out of the oven, hopefully looking something like that. Flick it over, sprinkle a few of the parsley bits onto it, and as they say, the proof of the pudding, so break into it. You've got some delicious fish flakes.